Welcome back. This is going to be my attempt at trying to fit a wire loom to this Mk1 Mini. Yeah, got a Mk1 wire loom technically. I picked it up cheap because it was not needed for another person's project. So it's not quite exactly the same model as this car. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'll get away with it, and it's, okay, not quite right, but we can work with it. Some of the major differences at the moment are it's got a modified for an alternator. It's brand new loom, but it's been modified, so it's it's always been ordered for an alternator, which is fine. I can fit an alternator, and it also hasn't got a an electric rear pump wire. But we'll just give things a go and see how it goes. Yeah, what we can do. So we'll just unwrap the loom. We've got a bit of a loom there. We'll unwrap it a bit, see what we got and see what we haven't got, see if there's anything obvious that is jumping out at me at the moment, and then make a decision on that. Okay, I was looking at the rear loom. I saw a slight difference. I need to think about what I'm going to do about it. Technically, it doesn't have the, it has a wire going up to the light, but only one wire. So I think it was designed just to be a feed just to the center light on this, whatever version it came off. So, which is a bit annoying because technically with these ones they've got switches in the door, so when you open the door the light comes on, so technically what you need is a negative going up there as well as a feed. So I need to have a think about that. It's not the end of the world running another wire, but again it's like, why, and what I should do. I've got brand new loom here, sort of. Shouldn't have bought it, should have bought it, but anyway. Just been looking at some of the old pictures, and we'll just work on the front loom because I think that's alright. And I was trying to remember where it goes through the bulkhead, and in the end it actually goes through the bulkhead here, through the plastic cowling, and then it drops through. So I don't actually have a rubber grommet on either of these, so we either cut it off or you don't get a rubber grommet with it. So it shouldn't be an issue because it's got to be fed on anyway at some point if there is a rubber grommet through there. I assume there must be because it's silly not to. But anyway, let's just try and lay it out and see how we get on. Alright, I think I bought myself a, I thought I bought myself a bargain, thought I could work it, but I don't think I can. I think this is for an early car, with a foot start as well, push button start. So it then doesn't have the proper ignition wires. It's got some terminals that go down, which I reckon are the push starts. So I think that was a waste of money and a waste of a video because I ain't going to be fitting this wire loom. Bugger. We might swap. Should we swap to the headlining and ignore the wiring loom? I know everybody wanted to see the wiring loom. That ain't going to happen. Hey, a headlining. So I've nicked some wife's pegs. Them. Well, we've got ourselves some cheap Wilkinson adhesive. So I don't think I need it too strong. It's just going to help hold some bits. And we have an old can of upholstery cleaner, so we'll give that a go as well in a minute and see if anything comes out right. So yeah, there's just a little bit of flappy stuff here. Just gonna get a bit of a stickiness on that and get that stuck down just to ripped off really, but might as well do something. We'll just put a bit of glue around some edges just to help it not get any worse, basically. That's what we're just trying to do at the moment. We're just trying not to make things get any worse. It's very delicate. It's very brittle. It's so easy just to put another little tear in it. So we're going to have to be very delicate indeed. I'm just trying to put a bit of glue on some of the tiny little rips that I found on the back. See if that will save it. Obviously we've got the old one that we can try and do a little patch like you do with tyre patching. We'll just see, but what I might just do is just do a bit of upholstery clean on here just to see if it makes any difference whatsoever. Well, it definitely lifted it a bit, but nowhere near. It's stained all the way through, so it's definitely good to help just give that, get off a lot of the grime. So we may still have to paint it and spray it, we'll see. But what I'll just do for now is at least again turn this one over and get some glue on some of these stitches, holes, tear holes, before they get too much worse. Well, what a successful attempt in the garage. Again, Loom, brilliant. Headlining not brilliant, but savable, definitely better than my other one. So yeah, one of those days, I'm afraid. So I think I will invest in a bit of a spray. I think I'll just cover up a little bit. It'll do for now, you know. I just want it looking a bit neater. So we'll give the whole thing a scrub, and then we'll run over it. We'll have a look at those Foss sprays. Just give them a go. I know. Anyway. Alright, well, I need to go look at ordering a proper wiring loom instead of a cheap bargain one. As always, you always get stunned, don't you? Completely my fault. I knew what I was buying, 100%. Thought it'd work. It didn't work. Yeah. One of those days. So I think I might go play with the pickup. I can just notice that there's a bit of a bend in this. Obviously where it's just been pulled out. Not so bad. Yeah, especially where it's been pulled out. The roof. Yeah, that's better. And yeah, no point popping it back in yet because we've got to do the wiring, which we haven't got. So So yeah. Alright guys, I've got some pizza for tea tonight. Yeah. Hopefully we'll have a better end to the week than the start. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Alright guys, well, bye bye, till next time.